traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 16th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day, and the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we had a big push up on really all the dollar pairs this morning, but New York session has been very slow. If price does break below here, and we are at the 78%, so it probably will. If and when it does break down, then I would put my Fibonacci retracement from here to here. And since this looks like the end of a correction, I would actually still continue to look for longs. Unless you were a scalper, you could possibly look for some shorts then. But I would put my Fibonacci on the last wave up. I would look for a three-way pullback. I would look for a Fibonacci bounce. And I would definitely continue to look for longs in an uptrend, at least until we have some proof that this is not going up anymore on the higher time frames. I believe we're in a wave 3, which is why these have been such strong trends, and you definitely don't want to try to fight a wave 3, so I would definitely continue to primarily look for longs at the end of every pullback I saw. So, anyways, we do have some pretty good news tomorrow. We got Canadian news tomorrow. We got Canadian CPI, which should definitely be a pretty good news event for the CAD pairs. We also got retail sales for the U.S. And on Wednesday, we got federal interest rate for the U.S. dollar. So, definitely a lot going on this week. The next big news event is definitely going to be that CAD news tomorrow for the New York session, though. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.